Okay, great. Look, here's my fingers because I'm not going to cheat. I'm not going to be there. Right there. Ready? Okay, when he drops it, go ahead and drop it when you want to drop it. There we go. Here's my thumb, 26.
That's slow.
I'm going to write down for my distance right there. I'm going to write 0.26 because I know I need to measure in meters. Okay? Then we'll do that 4 more times. Pause that.
All right, so we calculate, or I just measured a distance of 0.26 meters was my displacement. Whoops. Okay, so that's 0.26. So the idea is this. We need to solve for time. All right? So if I think about my list of givens like I did before, I have my xf slash d. All right, my xf slash d is going to be equal to 0.26. All right, and I'm looking for time. I know that my acceleration always when something's falling is going to be negative 9.8. So a is equal to negative 9.8. Now in this problem, we'll just leave it as 9.8 and not really worry about it so much. Because if I say that the acceleration is negative, then I need to also say that the displacement was negative too because they both went down. All right. Ask yourself the 2 questions. 1, is there time in my list of givens? There is, so the VF squared formula is not going to work. 2, is there an xf slash d? And there is an xf slash d, so we know that the first equation is not going to work. So the only one left is the big ugly. All right, so we have the big ugly. xf is equal to xi plus vi times t, whoops, this is ugly, but plus 1/2 at squared. Now, we know that I dropped it, which means there's no initial velocity. So my initial velocity was 0. Anything times 0 is 0, so that's gone. My initial position I can say is 0. So the only thing I really have is 1/2 at squared. Okay, so then you have to do some algebra. All right, if I'm looking for xf, or I'm looking for t rather, I have xf equals 1/2 at squared. Okay, here's how we do our algebra again in case you forgot. First I need to multiply both sides. I need to get t by itself, so I'm going to multiply the 1/2 by 2 to cancel everything out there. So multiply both sides by 2. And that's gone. All right, divide both sides by a. And that's gone. So now I have t squared equals 2xf over a. So then I square root. If I square root both sides to get t by itself, I'm going to end up with time is equal to square root of 2xf over a, where xf will be the distance I got here, which was 0.26. Okay, and my acceleration is going to be 9.8. Plug it all in and get your answer. And that's it.